Would you like to use some free promotional branding? Get your name out there for your YouTube channel with little effort. Have you ever struggled to get ideas for a video? By using our tool, you can work out from creating shorts from long form content, your videos, what works. Just think of the capabilities. Ideas are everything. This is a solution to your problems. How to increase visibility. Stop yourself feeling frustrated with creating content. You can quickly create shorts in a matter of minutes. Stick to the end so that you don't miss a thing. I can show you an example or I've created the steps that I've just discussed. Use our shorts video to create unique content that your viewers will love. Shorts that are made, remixed, are attributed back to the creator, and it makes people take notice of your channel. It's one of my other video channels, JPH Travels and Adventures. Here you can see Bath Carnival. It's only had just over 100 views. Here you can see some shorts that I've created out of that one video. You can see the traffic increasing. Don't forget, this is going to be on YouTube forevermore, so the traffic is going to increase. Not as much as it originally increases, but it will carry on increasing over the years. You can see at this one video, I've created a lot of videos. So this one video of a boy singing, 10,000 views. Here it comes. And the other video is another 10,000 views. So that's the total number of views I've had. You can see how many subscribers I've gained. So some people say, oh, you shouldn't have short form content. You should only have long form content. And my channel has got both. I create short form content out of long form content, and it doesn't cost me anything to take the time to do that. So here you can see the weekly recap. You can see how it's increased traffic to my YouTube channel. You can see all the likes, a large proportion of them being to those few videos. Hi, if you go into YouTube Studio and then go down to content, down on the bottom on your phone, then tap on the magnifying glass, type in Egypt meal, whatever you're searching for. Then go up to the top right hand corner and tap on the remix button. Then edit into a short. So at the top you've got the 15-second running. This is the default one. So if you tap on that, then you get the option to go to 60 seconds. Got the timeline there. I apologise for any noises in the background. It's the dog snoring. You can move the timeline around, you can go to layouts, moving from left to right. You can see different types of layouts we've got here. That's a useful area for text if you use a square. So next we've gone into trim. Once you're happy, tap done. So if you go into text, at the top there, type in whatever text you want, need. and move the text up the top. Then you can trim the text. When you're happy with that, tap done. The menu bar on the right, you've got the option for a filter. So we're going to go over there in a minute and go in the middle to filter. And here we can see the different options for filters. So next we're going to go in to do a voiceover. So you tap on the little red dot and you do your voiceover. So you've also got the ask questions at the bottom and the answers will appear in the comments. You do not see this type of thing on shorts very often, so I don't use it personally. If you had success using the question and answers. Have you seen this in videos? I can't say I've ever seen it. Waiting for it to render. It's a bit of a slow network. You can tap on there at the top left hand corner and you can select your thumbnail. So here I'm typing in the title, the description I put in later. I set mine up with a schedule. I always put the description in after I use Vidiq to I always put a schedule on as well so that the viewer's not watched the long form content, then the short comes out the day after. So in here I'm putting a related video in. I've also selected an audience as well, which is over 18. And so when you're ready, tap on the upload to upload your video to YouTube as a short and just follow the processes. Also at the end of this video, we've got a video showing you how to add text to your shorts or long form content. Please like and subscribe at the end of this video.